Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this bidet toilet seat. As you can see, the water shoots up out of there. It's just got a little tape on it right now. And then you got the knob right here, so you can go ahead and control the type of spray. And that's just where the water comes in straight through your water pipe. Super easy installation. This first sheet just tells you how to go ahead and install it on your actual toilet. Just 2 bolts there. And then you just need to attach it to your water supply line on your toilet. Super easy steps overall. As you can see, lots of different pictures, lots of explanations, and overall super easy to use. And I highly recommend you get something like this because it really enhances your toilet experience. If people prefer the bidet, then they can use that. If you have guests over, you got multiple options, and this is just a cleanlier way of going about your business. Here you've got these little connectors, you've got the hose, of course, and a couple more connectors. So you can tell it's just super easy to set up. Overall, I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.